Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm here to do another video on today's top performers. And I want to welcome all my viewers and welcome back all my subscribers. So thank you very much for watching and listening. And I'm just going to go over some top performers in my portfolio real quick. And as you can quickly see in my Robinhood portfolio, stocks are down. Maybe a good time to buy. Okay, so here we are. In my portfolio, I have AMC Entertainment Holdings. It is up 14.7% in early trading, performing very well. Second ticker symbol UAVS, AG Eagle Aerial Systems, which is a drone. So a drone company. Drones can be used for many applications, one including goods and services, mail, ship, drop. But I worked on an application where drones did, I guess, surveying farms. So drones can be used for many applications. And so this could be a technology that goes higher in the future. Ticker symbol HOFV. This is the Hall of Fame Resort Entertainment Company. This is an NFT, another one of these related to cryptocurrency. It is up 4% today. And, for people that are looking into NFTs, the Hall of Fame company works with those type of items. Another good stock that I really like, OM Miners, OMI is up 3% today. It's doing very well. Let's take a quick look at the OMI chart. It's a very attractive company for long-term investors. It says here, Owens and Miners is a global health care logistics company. And so they produced healthcare items. And I think I got it about $25. As you can see, it's been trading around last few months, 37, 36. And prior to that, it was trading just around $27, $26. So OM Miners, I would definitely recommend a buy on OM Miners. It can only do is go higher. As you can see, it has the nice stair step. And I would say that's basically, them performing well under their fundamentals, beating their earnings and just producing and, adding new contracts and improving every quarter. So I really like the charts on OM Miners. That stock ticker again is OMI. All right, and as always, we still got some more of these meme stocks. BlackBerry stock is up again 3% this morning. ChargePoint is up. Ticker symbol CHPT is up. Remember, we still are early in the EV plays. I think GM is having good moves this week. And so just keep your eye on the EV stocks. I think it's still early. You can get in and get out. Again, EV, electrical vehicle charging, that's the future. So next, very similar, Blink charging is up 2% this morning. So that's another one. Let's go down to ticker symbol SBCE. So Virgin Galactic is up slightly this morning. Again, Virgin Galactic is the suborbital space flight stock, and this is definitely a long-term play. Ticker symbol CAKE, or Cake, Cheesecake Factory is up 1.2% this morning. And what else? We got Teladoc. Teladoc is making a move. It's up almost 1% this morning. So those are my top performers, AMC included. and Owen Miners. Oh, another favorite, Upstart, is up 5% this morning. So that I wanted to go over real quick was just some stocks that could be some good buys. Let's see here. Okay, so fortunately, if you haven't got in on AMC, that ship has sailed. I'm up for, let's see, 400 something percent. So we're only looking for, in the column of red, things that are on sale, taking a slight dip. Ford is down today slightly, almost 1%. Capital One, you could probably buy that anytime. Ticker symbol COF. It's just another financial company. Wouldn't be in any hurry to buy that. Something to possibly think about, Revolve. This is the Revolve Group, ticker symbol RVLV, which is an online consumer retail. They're down slightly 2%. And let's just take a quick look at Revolve, because I think it's a definitely long-term play, the Revolve Group. Let's see. Okay, they're out of Cerritos, but just look at the chart. The Revolve Group from last June, it was $15, and now it's up to 55. So if you got in last year, let's just even say last August, you could add in about $20. I think that's where I got in at. You would have simply doubled your money at $20 per share. Now it's $55. So again, while they're dipping, Revolve Group could be a good buy. What else we got here? This one is always up and down. MoneyGram, it usually trades about $8, but it could also go up quite a bit. MGI, ticker symbol, I would prefer to get this at $7 because it goes way up and goes way down. So we look at the chart here. See, it's low here is about $7 or $5 even. So you might want to pick some up, pick a few shares up, and then when it drops back down to $7, pick up some more. But MoneyGram, I think most people are familiar with it. MoneyGram is a money transfer company based in Dallas, Texas, and has operations in St. Louis. As you see, the 52-week high is $11, so it is really close to its 52-week high. But I really believe MoneyGram can go to $15, $20 per share. So you have it almost as 52-week high. So I mean, even it's down like 5% on the day, you still might want to pick up a few shares, and later as it dips again, pick up a few more shares. But MoneyGram, it's been around for quite a few years. It's almost as old as Western Union. So MoneyGram, if you're interested in money transfer stocks. What else is on sale today? Let's go down the list. Let's go to the very bottom. Well, talked about this one early in the week, ticker symbol FCX, Freeport McMoran. So it's dipping a little bit. Usually trades right up at its peak at 46 per share. So that could be a good buy today. Let's see, there's a lot of green today. That's kind of good. FSM, there's never not a good time. You could always buy these silver stocks. FSM, it's a good way to collect some dividends in hedge your bets against inflation. A good day to buy is today, but don't expect huge profits from these, what I call inflation hedges. So FSM does pay a dividend. And like I said, let's just look at the chart and I can show you a way. If you're not familiar with FSM. So as you can see, its peak is like $9. And this is just like a hedge again. So Fortune Silver Mines is Canadian public silver mining company based in Vancouver, British Columbia. It looks like they have some other operating mines in Mexico and Peru. So this is a hedge against inflation. If we just look back, just using silver to preserve. So the price is not going to change that much, but if you wanted to buy some today, it'd be a great add to your portfolio as we head into this possible inflationary period. Airbnb is down. I think this stock peaked at 189 or almost $200 per share. So this could be, I would say as the summer heats up, Airbnb stock could. Right now it's down, trading about 147 per share. So if you wanted to add some to your position, I would say it's a good time to still get into Airbnb. What else? Okay. Course this week, Apple is down 0.5%, but this week they do have a conference for Apple, so it could be a good time to buy some Apple while it's dipped. It's only down 0.5%, but I think its peak and relatively last few months it's like 136 or 140, so it could be a good time to buy some Apple stock. I think they're going to have really good information coming out of the Apple conference, and the expectation is going to be set. As you can see, 134, 142 back in January. So if it can get back there, and just depending on what they talk about during the conference this week, I think the stock could go up. Okay, it says WWDC live blog for Apple investors kicks off on June 7th at 10 a.m. Pacific. So it's right about 7 a.m. Pacific now. In about 3 hours, we'll see what Tim Cook has to say, and the Apple stock may go up. So something to look at. I seriously think Apple is undervalued. And I think it would be a good add, or additional positions could be a good idea for your portfolio. Next ticker symbol that we have down today is Cleveland Cliffs. Cleveland Cliffs, CLF, is down almost 0.5%. I think this is in a good buy zone at $19. The stock can go up to 22, 23. We don't know how high it can go if Biden does sign this infrastructure bill. So I really think CLF is going to be a nice come up once the Biden gets the infrastructure bill signed, or at least good discussions talking. Both sides could agree. Let's see. Rising we got here, look like it's down a little bit today. 57. I'd rather buy it at 56, but Verizon is never not a good buy. It actually pays dividends. So And then lastly, we have a new stock that's still just getting started. Is SoFi Technologies. They just went public last week on the exchange as SoFi on June 2nd. So SoFi is still finding its footing, and it's down slightly 2% on the day. Okay, so those were my top performers this morning. We did do a little in-depth, and AMC is still surging high. Good luck to everybody that's in it. But as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for listening. And if you would like some free shares, I do have the Webull link and the Robinhood link below. And if you want to just invest your money, get your money put into some good ETFs, I do have the WealthFront link below as well. So WealthFront, you can invest, I think, up to $500 with no fees, and they will invest it for you. And after that, I think it's like 1%. So again, those links will be below. So thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you on the next video.